Millie, look who's ready. Are you ready to go get the Crocs? You ready? Alrighty, welcome back to another vlog. I'm going to Foot Locker. Just released a new Demon Slayer Crocs collaboration, and I love Crocs. I love Demon Slayer. I'm wearing like all my Demon Slayer stuff today. I don't even know if they have it. I called the store like 3-4 times. So I thought, you know, let's just go. Let's just see what this is about. You ready, Millie? No matter where I go, nothing to hold you, don't you know? I don't know Korean. You never lend my love. A little backstory. I woke up this morning, hella early, went to footlocker.com to try to get the, hold on one second.
Save time. Please pay before leaving the mall.
I want the Tanjiro ones, obviously. They were sold out in my size. So I came all the way here with Millie. Millie wanted to come. I mean, I hope they have my size. I hope I didn't come here for no reason. Let's find out. Let's go. Come on, Millie. Millie. Me and Millie are matching. I also have the Insta360 camera. So yeah, let's see if people react to how me and Millie are dressed. Millie. Thank you. Hi, do you guys have the Tanjiro Demon Slayer Crocs? You guys don't have. Where's Chance? Oh, okay. Come on, Millie. Do you guys have them? Do you guys have them? Oh my god, please have my size. Millie, we found him! Millie! Oh my god, yes! Oh, you guys got these as well.
Yeah, the other two, yep.
That's
You like
sick.
to try them on?
I'm a big Crocs fan. I got my Pikachu ones.
Nice.
All I need is size 10 in those, and I know they're gonna fit perfectly.
There you go. I'm sorry. Thank you, take care. You made my day. Oh, thank you. Millie. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thanks so much. I love coming to the mall and feeling like a celebrity. Right, Millie? She's over it.
Gate is open. Please exit. The gate is open. Please exit.
The gate is open, please fuck off. Now we're gonna go home and we are going to do an unboxing video, and I'm gonna show y'all up close and personal what the Demon Slayer Crocs look like. Let's go. Here it is, here it is. I got the earrings, I got the shirt.
Wait a damn minute.
One moment, I'll be right back. Here we go. Oh shit. It's giving more black pink than it is Tanjiro, but I ain't mad. Let's go finish this unboxing video, shall we? I am back Looking like Tanjiro. Total concentration. Water breathing. Fourth form. Water wheel. Oh, should I get my sword? No, it's okay. That's good. I do have a sword, but that's doing too much. Yeah, I mean, just from the box, like, look, we have Inosuke, we got Tanjiro, Nezuko, Zenitsu on it. Ooh, right here on the side, we have Crocs with the Nezuko background. And we got Crocs with the Tanjiro background. And yes, Crocs with the Zenitsu background. And on the back right here is the background for Inosuke. Okay, so let's open it, shall we? Let's do it. Oh, wow. Okay, so already, yeah, you see like the little trim right there. One is Zenitsu, one is Nezuko. And then we open, and ooh, we got the little Crocs little, what is this called? This paper thingy? Like, the wrapping paper, yes. So let's unwrap it. Ooh! Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, it smells like shoes. It smells like shoes. This is the left one. It has a little Demon Slayer logo in the middle of the thing, which is hella cool. I like the little Slayer Croc pin we got going there. Slay. Slay. I slay. And oh my god, it's the cat. It's the demon cat pin. I love it. And what I love about these Crocs, they're kind of designed a little differently than regular Crocs. The holes are different. There's this like little pattern going here, which I think is pretty sick, which I think is pretty dope. I love the Tanjiro, you know, checkerboard green and black print they got going on. This lower, like, area of the shoe right here. I wish I knew about the shoe parts like Ricky does. He'll be like, this is the insole. This is the outsole. This is the you won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. So I like the bottom part of the shoe. It's different from other Crocs. It has a little like, ooh, like a little Yeezy feel going on, you know? And I've never seen this in a Croc. The back is actually different. Like the design of the back is kind of like Tanjiro's sword. Little diamonds right there of the backing. And I like this. It has a little pull to it. I feel like when I'm gonna be running or walking in it, it's gonna give me like a little bit more help, you know? They fit like every other Croc. You can go, comfort mode, you know? You can go X Games mode. Ah, the right pair! The right one. The right side we have Nezuko in the Nezuko backpack. Nezuko's in there. And then we also have Sword Guard, Tanjiro's Sword Guard. So these Demon Slayer shoes, they actually first came out or first appeared at Comic-Con. And I thought they were gonna be like a Comic-Con exclusive thing, which I was like, I want to get the shoes too. But thankfully, you know, Foot Locker got it into their locker of feet. So I was able to open that locker and purchase them. So shout out to Champs, the subsidiary of Foot Locker, because y'all got it with the hookups. Y'all got me. Total concentration, water breathing, fifth form, water sprint flash. So I only ended up getting one pair, the Tanjiro pair, because I didn't want to buy all four of them because we can't afford it. I went with the one that I really vibed with and I thought was like the key staple of the entire collection. But they also have a Nezuko one, they have an Inosuke one, and they have a Zenitsu one. We saw the Zenitsu and Nezuko Crocs at Champs. They had them. I haven't seen the Inosuke ones in real life, so comment down below, let me know if you're planning on buying these Crocs. Thank you so much for tuning into my Crocs Demon Slayer haul unboxing vlog thingy video majigger. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, just do something. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.